Gal Triple A, Alfia, and Azang, and I'm. Yeah, gun. This supposed to look.
My worst nightmare is happening to some. Before I was really interrupted.
Morning guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your gal Triple A, Alfia, and Azang, and I'm back with yet another little video. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Triple A. If you don't know, now you know. So subscribe, because if you're not subscribing, then what are you doing? Subscribe. So hey guys, welcome back to yet another vlog. I think, yeah, in order for me to be consistent, I need to do like my weekly vlogs, because there's nothing happening in my life that I would say, that's interesting. Yeah, but so I am trying to be consistent. So like every chance I get, I'm gonna record like anything that might be interesting. I'm gonna record. So basically, yeah. I'll my exams in like less than 2 weeks in. Yeah, in 2 weeks. In 2 weeks ngiyabhala angazi but ngiyobhala 8 June, but that's not funny. Ngiqala ukubhala mhla 8 June. So don't judge my hair. Yeah, basically, yeah. So today's Saturday, and like let's get through this, you know. Yes. So basically today, what am I gonna do? Today I'm gonna is to clean bedding, wash the bedding. Don't you dare talk about my pillowcases. Yeah, awaphelele bafethu. Awaphelele. Khona kuphela. Nah, it's not nice. Nam ngafica kunje and then yabo. I mean, I used to live like in so by yithi. Hey, but today, so far a pillowcase ephelele. Woo! And then today I'm planning on starting my driving school lessons. See, I'm planning on starting. Oh my gosh, I'm planning on starting. I'm planning on starting my driving school lesson. So we're gonna go there. The kids are not here. So like basically I'm home alone. My father's at work. My mama is at her home with the kids. So basically alone. So things I'm gonna do today is wash bedding, go to the drivers, so that like I can give them my money, so that I can give them my money. Like the money is there. What's left is for me to go there. Yes. And then probably study, guys. Like in China, my time lapse in phone. I feel like I studied better and effectively. I studied better and effectively when like my phone like is in use. You get. So without further ado, let's get straight into this vlog. Yeah. First, we have to connect my laptop to my phone so that I can play some music. So basically, I've decided to eat the porridge first. Kunokuthi ngiwashe because beselisha. And then with salt. Yeah. But no, and guys, I'm thinking of uthi ngisho matawa, ngiyazi matawa ngiyazi ngubone and stuff like that. Mina nje ngawuthatha ngalena uthi nami ngizenze umuntu like. Yabo. You should always put yourself first. Khona intombazane ngibona, you're not gonna make this video 3 minutes, 2 minutes. Khona intombazane like content here can on TikTok that I always see you with welcome to a day where I please myself, where I am selfish. By that I mean please myself and please myself and do things that will please me only. Basically, angazi noma ukuthi ngiyayithanda yini noma basically ngiyayithanda because yes, guys, yes. Because eventually at the end of the day, you are alone in this world. So you should always put yourself first. You are alone either ways. So nje, protect your peace. Protect your peace. This is yes, lento le ngabe ngitshela mina njalo. Because I'm always overthinking. Anyways, what the call Pinipalam and thing I'll bond to your roots our heads. That's their roots. And I'm look. My hair is literally the least of my problems because I have these. And ngiyaphila bazongibuka khona ngalendlela le mangalisa ukuthi oh, look at my bed, guys. It's so pretty. I love my room. Uma inale bedding le. Because it shows ba khona umuntu ophilayo ohlala la. Olala like emereni. Yeah, ophila like emereni basically. Phila like emereni mina, guys. It's heavy. Yeah, bored yes nje. So, and I'm passing off movies because I'm a soapies and what are too personal. Memuntu a bad person enemy we soapy ngizomzonda. And yabo nje ngisayikhumbula soap le kodwa yangicasula kabi nje yangicasula kabi le enolerato phakathi uyangicasula kabi shame leyo yangicasula kabi shame. Le enolerato nje sengikhohliwe noma sengikhohli but nje haye kuyibuka engicasula kabi basically. That's when I stopped watching ama soapies. Futhi nakhona futhi nginxa isikole so akunasikhathi sokubuka TV basically. Ngibuka Popeye nje ama Titans nantoni no Amazing World of Gumball basically cause kungafa yeah ama episodes akhona bengawaphinda but it's not the same. No, it's not the same. So, guys, singahamba ngiyawela driving school yami yabo. So, angazi ngihamba ngiyalana ziyami ngithi ngiphansi kombed. Yeah. Ngikhipha le kude le nazi. Hayibo. It's matric certificate less. Nayi le nazi yami. Basically manje angazi noma ngihambe nayo yini so angisibona ukuthi isidingo sokuthi ngihambe nayo but we'll make things work. Can't believe I wanted these, man. So guys, ngiyahamba today ngihamba ngemoto nje yabo see hamba ngenye imoto nje ngihamba ngemoto ehamba my mom because she took the Polo. So yes, I hope it won't give me but it's the first time actually doing ever since it was bought basically. So yeah, wish me luck. Love update babalile. Of course, Bazoval, it's a Saturday. Aries, yes. Guys, like I felt so safe in that car somehow. Anyways, let's just get through this day. I have a banana. I just start with studying. Like you'd say, time to play is up. Time to play is up, guys. Ngithenga is all on. Like ngithenga amathobo fight. ngithenga ama-top fight. So cause of that, ama-top fight. No, ama-exams actually. The basically ngiyabona ngoba li-empty le fridge nje lokusitore lokho. Yeah, khona fridge li main. No, actually. Yeah, so need to like lamp. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Bye-bye, Yannick. Cell phone. Basically, I was lying to myself. Kade ngibona umuntu uyazaziyo lowo muntu lo engibona kuyena i-status sakhe kade bedla ama-pancakes, so like nami ke ngawahale like, and I'm like, okay, let me just use that as a reward, you get. So basically I'm making pancakes. Mhlambe ngiyenzeka ukuthi ngilale ngawo nje namhlanje, but I am gonna pega for Dad. Yes guys. So basically this is supposed to be a gun. This supposed to look like this. Yo, sambisingisi kahle kahle lokho kumele kubuye ngathi sibhamu, yabo, kumele kubuye ngathi sibhamu manje ngathi u-F. Nasa saying futhi sibhamu, yabo, they're supposed to look like sibhamu manje anginasho noma sibhengalana yini, noma sibhengala. I'm done making pancakes. So basically guys, I thought about, you know what, let me just start comparing, you know? Yeah. The pancake one, it was basically I'm just get it brush and then put it in that. Oh my gosh, it doesn't make sense, but I know people do it. The pay for us, yeah? No, the pay for us is all fire. The Chinese and it's like juicy. Yes. If you've never had it before, you've had it from me today. Yes. Yes. If my house isn't like this on weekends, I do not want it. Down, 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 down. Sitting right next to you. Ooh. I try not to show. I don't wanna kiss you, yet I just wanna feel you. Morning guys, it is the next day. It's Sunday. And ndibukela uNickelodeon. Yes. Ngaloku address something. Guys, if mhlambe told to khona event, if khona event and like they invite you a week before the event, don't go there. You are not invited. You're not invited because you cannot tell me you plan an event a week before the event. That's not true. Aye aye Captain. Aye aye Captain SpongeBob. You get. So bakithi, no, don't go. Mina apparently I don't have a choice because ciao guys. I don't know what's the occasion. Basically, story of my life. Basically. And guys, I'm not good at the decision. No. Anyways, guys, I'm making something to eat. This was a shy 12. It's baba making something to eat. Basically. Yeah. Good thing the lingua. Let me do that right now. Yeah, I'm making. I'm afraid I can't. You'll never know. You should always go with full stomach because what if good? Because you're on 5. What if you're on 12? So when you're going out, always go with see happy. That's my outfit. That's my outfit. That's my outfit. Period. Hi guys, as you can see by the state of my head, angikho right. So basically into eyenzekile was yabo guys, like little ngivukile namhlanje, well since yesterday network ibingekho ka MTN yabo, since network ibingekho MTN like nje, yeah, basically namhlanje ibingekho, so that's why I started to study yabo. In a way I kind of like took it as an advantage ukuthi ayikho network, because I know ba once I have a network I'm gonna be on my phone, you get what I'm saying. So manje sibuyile network, I probably spent like 10 minutes on the phone checking my socials. Ngibona uthi yabo usathani uthi ngamsweli kodwa usathani bayithi. Sometimes guys akumele simswele yazi usathani, kodwa nayeke. Yes, guys, I have a very like, guys, I don't wanna lie about, like, I'm that one person who's very lost in terms of Christianity. Because what do you mean if God knew ukuthi usathani would betray him? Why engambulalanga nje, or why did he continue to build usathani, or however the case is? Like, why do we have to live a life, guys? Why is Bali test? Why see test empilweni? Like, why? Already we have a lot of tests in school, in workplaces. Muma bakithi ngihlezi ngibona futhi enza ama presentation laphaya, and I am sure, not ukuthi I am sure bakithi no ukuthi nje bakithi umam yo shame bakithi, like I feel like on a stage fright, but we are the exact opposite. Mina shame ngingafika phambi kwethu, okay, but that's not the case. Tengisho ukuthi why, like, guys, I don't wanna lie, I am these days in J, I am really questioning Christianity, and angazi is one angazi, because like guys futhi nakhona at the end of the day, like, because ngiyarealize ukuthi sometimes it's kukwena personally, kukwena. Mawungafundile ngeke uziphase yabo, mawufundile vele ufundile and ngenze ukuphasa. Get depend ukuthi mfethu ufunda kanjani basically. And then there was this video that I saw ukuthi, okay, basically there was a comment section yabo, and then mhlambe thola ukuthi like somebody bought a car, and then and then somebody commented ukuthi God did, you get, can't you know you did it, you was able to save money to buy the car. And that there's only one way that you can save, is to get money wherever you got the money, guys. But basically, like, if you don't mfethu, then nobody else will do it for you, you get. Mina nje bafethu angifuqa mamanga shem, like I'm really stuck, and I do not know, like, hey, life is unfair, by the way. So nje, but guys, no, angifuni ukuthi nani nicabange ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi mina ngiyasho ukuthi ngiyahlanyika. No, angihlanyika nje, mina umyadala apparently. So ngizoba rich, ngizoba nemali. No, ngi-rich, nginemali. Yeah. So guys, nje yo, cut the show. What I was actually talking about is ukuthi you should never let small things disturb you while you are focused. The one for focused and the one for blessed. Angazi ukuthi blessed yandoni, but for energy, okay, for energy and increased mental concentration, and then focus for boost mental performance, boost concentration, daily stress support, basically. And like I can feel that my mind is actually working, because like, but ningavumi izinto ey'ncane ukuthi zindistract, because buka manje spend 4 minutes ngikhuluma ngani, literally about nothing. So let me just get to work. Yes. So basically I've done 1 hour of studying, 1 hour and 7 minutes. Now I have a 10-minute break. In this 10-minute break I'll finish my oats, which I made earlier on explaining. The time is 13:17, 17 minutes past 1. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm not gonna open TikTok. I'm just gonna check if there are any messages on WhatsApp, because I did my data. So the 7s are effectively la. I'm using the Pomodoro timer. Yeah, 4 hours. So 50 minutes, and then 10 minutes break, 50 minutes, 10 minutes break, 15 minutes, 10 minutes break. So basically, yes. Yeah, so sengiyodla ke manje. Vele kancane, so yeah, bengeke ukuthi manje phela inkinga lokhu system soke isikhathi sithi. So yabo singazi, yabo I'm training myself ukuthi uma ngine stress ngingadli ukuze ngizoyehla emzimbeni, yabo, because usually uma ngine stress ilangile khona kakhulu, isikhathi sami se break siyahamba. Yeah, so now junk food, yeah, probably like ngidla ngespoon mina guys, so probably like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 teaspoons. So yes, I have 5 minutes left of break. Take me back to the distance. Late night cooking in the kitchen. Hey, hey, dirty dancing in my room. Singing my love all over. Ayikho into ebuhlungu njengokupheka, uphakela for someone, for somebody, igcine ngafiki at all. Basically, this is why I wanna live alone, because I know if I cook for myself only. If I don't cook, ngizozibona ukuthi ngidlani basically. Because for the guys, now it's hard when you do not cook, and then that person and then someone looks for food, and then there's no food. Kantola ukuthi you were in the house until the whole day, and you think to yourself, I should have cooked. And then when you cook, hey, this is a safe space. Basically, yes. I hope my husband does not do this. Like, see, this is the other reason why I rethink about getting married. And besilisa, and I feel like I have a very bad history about besilisa. I do. I do not want to lie. I'll talk about it in a few years, like probably 2 years to come, 5 years, 15 years to come, 25 years to come. I don't know. But basically, personally, I have a very, very, very bad history about boys. Not specifically boys, but male, to be specific. So nje boo, ndaba yomshado, boo. But nje uyambona umuntu one-trauma kodwa nje bafethu. Basically, I'm alone. Still, like, literally, I've been alone. I don't wanna lie. I'm very happy that I was alone. But, like, that, don't expect me to come anytime sooner. You get, so that, like, okay, I can sit knowing very well, but not expecting anyone anytime. You get, like, basically, also, like, when you know that you do not live with anyone, you can literally do whatever you want. Manje ngizothi ngiqala into and then I get myself in the mood for that thing, and then the person comes in like down or mood gone like that. You see, you get. I hope you guys get it, but yeah, guys, please, yabo manje. Now I need to do content. Now they'll be saying, okay, Bill, the reason why I do content, guys, is to make my memories, yabo. But now, saying my memories, plus I'm also like, I also want to reach the point whereby, like, I get money. I get money through content. So, cause I want an apartment, guys. Like, I wanna move in with you guys in my first apartment. So, enjoy. Please. If there are ads that I do not know of, please watch them. Yeah. Khona i-ad nje ningitshele actually khona ngizokhuluma no YouTube lapha eceleni. Anyways, ciao guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Basically, yeah. Hey guys, I'm here to vent. So basically, guys, I have this thing. It's very, very famous. It's called overthinking. This thing is not healthy because you tend to think about things that are not true. I think the reason why I overthink is what I'm already thinking. I think the reason why I overthink is because sometimes I just wanna don't expect don't expect, basically I'm always expecting disappointment, like always leave a space but disappointment in everything, in anyone, anyone. A person can disappoint me, a person can disappoint you, I can also disappoint you, you get. So basically that's why I overthink. I am a very, very, very observant person. I'm a very observant person, and I think in Go West Manjapan has Go West Manch. And I think maybe it's because I've been distant. I feel like I've been distant to God. I feel like I've been distant from number 2. I've been distant from God. So in June next week I'll buy my exams. Yeah, we must end the today because with the phone I'm still overheat. Basically, yeah. So I'm trying to get back on my feet. I hope what's in your feet. Isikole siyakhathaza yabona, into ehamba phambili ngokungistressa isikole shame andangifuqa mama ihamba phambili bafethu yabona look yami. I'm used to this isikole. Problem is I get stressed to a point where I'm like ngeke yabo lento le. But then when I'm actually there and I'm like, okay, I do this, like, guys, kumnandi yazi ukuya ku-exam uwazi wonke ama-answers, like, well, you remember like everything, like kumnandi ungena kwi-examination ufundile kunokungena kwi-examination ungafundile, because what are you gonna expect, you get? And into inkinga ngami, ngiyakwazi ukumotivate abantu kodwa mina ngikwazi ukuzimotivate mina. Ngizimotivate, motivation yami isale for like 30 minutes missing ihambe. Basically what I'm trying to say is procrastination. Leli gama leli ngalizwa last year ngoba metric taught me. Metric taught me the word procrastination because like, guys, if you think about this, like, basically, guys, and yes, some of us are really not grateful enough. I only have vent much, guys. This is a venting session, and angazi noma ngizothi ngumuntu we-ADHD angazi, but leyo condition leyo yini, because buwa wayimanje I can't stick to one topic. Tina, guys, bafethi thina asikho grateful. Asikho grateful. Shame, I don't wanna lie. I definitely don't wanna lie. Hey. Sengikhathele ukukhuluma. Mhlawumbe ngizoqhubeka kusasa. Basically. But nje, yeah. The fact that everything is expensive and yet you have data to look at this video, and yet your stomach is very full, yet you have a roof under your head and you have that expensive phone in your hand. That's very big. That's very, very big. I'm also grateful. Hi, bands. Anyways, bye. Hi guys, it's the following day. Thought I would have recorded in going there, but then I did go to the driving school. I wanted to start today, but again was today because I mean, well, I didn't ask, but when ungabuza uthi ngigqoke ingubo ezimhlophe yini, uyabo? No, ayiphathanga futhi nanelenazi yami lapho eqala bengiyiphathile, kodwa yafana bengize ngidrive because bengigqoke phaqo. So sayibamba kusasa. I actually love driving, guys. I don't know, it's therapy. Yeah. Anyways, safunda. Bafethu nginentshebe yazi mina. My skin is starting to get cracked. Yabona indaba zabantu ukuncuma iskin sami manje sesinjani. Nginentshebe, guys. Nayi qala la phezulu. 1 2 3. Am I even allowed to count it? 4 5 6 7 8. Basically, nentshebe budlelwane yebo. Mina, I need a woman. I need to take care of a woman. Excuse. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna study real quick before you land the children. Yes. What would happen if I overdose on amaphilisi iron really? What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the next day. I do not know what lol, but I've been going with this vlog. So basically, I'm at the driving school. I came as early as possible. Yeah, I came as early as possible. 8. 8. Let's just say 8, guys. Got my techies, like Lena's yummy, basically. Ending is a to be ugly as possible because I don't trust this male. What if Lemuntu Lona goes beyond being iyazi ukuthi I have a bad experience with abantu besilisa. Yambona nje laba loya oyangifaka amanzi already nje usengibuya ngendlela ezinye nje ngezinye nje indlela engayiqondi usethi manje uthini vele uthi kimi yazi nje kanti la amanzi akho futhi azophela nini futhi mawaphele la amanzi akho futhi ukuze uzophinda futhi ufike la why ufuna ngifike ngamtshela ukuthi hayibo mfethu mekuphela amanzi phela not literally like hayibo mfethu but ngimtshela ukuthi hawu mfethu okay basically I didn't say mfethu but I was like hayibo mfethu imali phela mfethu lokhu kwenza ibo umtshela ngathi phela kuyimali phela mfethu ugcwalisa amanzi uzothi hayi phela mekukhona yena he'll figure something out for me. Just stick to your profession. Like what's hard? Ish. But Lisa, I have a very bad experience now. So guys, this is my outfit for today. I'm wearing the same skirt. Basically, I'm wearing the outfits that I was wearing yesterday. Because I do not see Uti. See, I then should take it to bang this. Never leave. Oh, this is my days, guys. I hate to tell you into one by one. Maranda shall slowly among the thing it's valid. Oh, one by one, and yesterday I was here. She didn't tell me. Guys. She didn't tell me. Ish. I'm gonna have a very can't they struggle because like I feel like everyone is 30 minutes and they said 1 hour. 1 hour Coca is 1 hour 150. Imagine ngiyaxayeka ukuthi why abantu bebuya fast kanje. Ngizorobheka la guys so kuphi isikhathi because guys anyway for real ukuthi usuwenza abantu about 3 mina ngifike ngo8 la usuwenza abantu about 3 usufundisa abantu about 3 mark shayo 9 guys in mark shayo 9 should be that's 15 minutes per person. My word, it's 15 minutes per person. And but it's pay 1 hour, it's 150. Now I paid 2K and I paid 2K. Okay, well, track lodwa it's 1,000 rands, and get the lessons, which was 5 lessons, is 1,000 rand. Maybe somewhere around 50, 750. Wait a minute. Ngeke guys. Ngeke bafithi. Ngeke Nina. Hey, bro, what's in Bali like? Oh, okay, it makes sense. Makes sense now because 150 plus 5 is 750. Ne? 750. And then 750 plus another 750 is 1.5. Is 1.5. And then 1.5 plus 1,000 a truck and jelly load. And that's 2,005. And minankoke 2,500 tangaka because yeah, basically. So when I'm being buffet, it's about time. It's my time. It's my. Mfukwathi lesi slow so slow man. Lesi sengimuva kwami just because ngihleli emotweni. Khona ngizosima Ngiyathanda ukudala uchuku bafethu. Anyways guys, I will have uvalo. In a way. Oh man.
My worst nightmare is happening to somebody. Uqondane nepali lawa phansi cabangani. It's my time, it's my
Hey guys, welcome to the fabulous life of Afia and Azan Pasha. Welcome. So basically, it's literally the next day. Izolo, I did not talk. Basically, yesterday when I went to go and fetch my siblings at school, first, and then the polo decided to just. Well, I do not blame it. Because I've been hamba ring with it ngelambu. Yavele yacima ke shem. Yazi yacima. Like yathi yaphelelwa amandla. But the good thing is icimele vele ngisesikoleni sababe. Because my mncane sebenza is over there. So yeah, I called father, Bashid. I'm never again going with imoto ekhanya ngelampu. Nah, I'm good. I'm good because what I went through yesterday, guys. I might sound very dramatic, but whatever I went through yesterday. Okay, imoto iphele petrol indlela leyo bengisesikoleni sawabena. And then okay, shoot like I was literally in the middle of the road. So ngihlise handbrake, mangihlise handbrake, ngazama ukuthi uyabona nje. Yes. Nangu futhi. Basically, before I was really interrupted. Okay, guys, okay, basically, I tell my father that I boy multiple petrol. Uthi epholweni ngemuva khona iscoop sa1 liter. Okay, basically uyangitshela basically khona iscoop sa1 liter ngemuva thatha sona msuyamva petrol kamalini father. Petrol ka 80 rand. Bengiqala nje ukubiza leyo nto mina. Yazi bengiqala ukuthi into nje petrol ka 80 rand. Uqhamukaphi? Ikhadini lami. Yeah. Already yesterday I was going through a lot. Ndaba ze-driving school. Guys, kuyabiza ukudrive, yes sis. Yo. Hey, ngeke shami. Kuyabiza ukudrive. Okay, so basically ngahamba ebafethu ngathi imoto amancane saza safisa siqala la ekhaya phela yabo bengime ngiqala ekhaya cause uwallet bengingawuphethe bengizoswipe ngani ngomoya yini laphaya egarage. Ngifika lapha egarage ngihlangana nomunye umfana engangifunda naye primary. Uthi kimi, "Hawu afika." And I'm like, yo. Khuluma nefoni. Uthi hawu kodwa afike la waza la egarage. What the heck? And I'm like, no, ukhuluma nobani? And then angitshela ukuthi basically it's the guy from primary futhi naye. Ngisayipho mfethu. Ngiphethe isigubhu sami lapho sipoqekile kuthiwa uthi lo bhutuloni ngifaka petrol uthi kumele ngisifuthe. Engathi anginawo amandla okusifutha shem, yazi ngathi anginawo amandla ngitshela ngathi ifethu 500 cause 80 rand. Mtshela ngathi ma 500 yangikhipha ikati lami. Lapho imoto ngibeke laphaya angithi niyabo phela like ema-garage. Okay, ngibekele lapha ezansi ngase store laphaya. Yeah, ngibeke laphayana. Mengibeka laphayana menze ngibuye emuva ngikhohlwa ukuvala isicabha semoto. Lapho khona iy'ngane phakathi. So basically a person would literally get in the car and drive. Wafaka phe 200 wafaka bakithi ngakhokha ngabona i-notification from bank to minus 100 rand, thinking ukuthi mhlawumbe no notification ethi plus 100 rand from ubaba. Lutho guys, lutho. I think I want to end the vlog here. I want you guys ngikhohlena nokuthi ngiyavlogga. So basically guys, ngiyathanda yazwani, ngiyathanda ningafani nami. Yabo if mocabanga ukuthi impilo yami right ayikho right, ngiyabhala next week Monday. I-stress enginaso singaka. So nje ngazi ukuthi ngizoyi-editha nini le vlog. But basically please comment. Nina comment nina yazi and comment. I actually I'm actually a very, very talkative person. Ngazi noma ngiyangizwa yini. So I would like to engage. Yeah, guys, if you could see me on TikTok, the way that I reply to all of my comments, guys, I love engaging with the family. I love engaging with the people that support me in a way. So comment, guys, comment, really comment. So nje nje umuntu oyengicommentela bakithi uLuyanda. I think bakithi nayo ubase like they have exams, but nabane exams so she can't be watching my vlogs. But I know for sure if she was watching my last previous vlogs, now we live vlog bezo comment to each and every minute of me talking. So guys, please comment, man. Yeah, no? Yeah.